Just a month after purchasing a home in University Park, Texas, reality TV couple Lowe and Catherine Giudici of The Bachelor pulled off a successful and quick flip. For today's video exclusive to our TTP members, we'll be talking more about The Bachelor couple Lowe and Catherine Giudici and their flip Texas mansion. Now, without further ado, let's get into the video. The couple purchased their desired home in April for $4 million, yet they are putting it back on the market for $5 million. They listed the property for sale, which was sold for an undisclosed amount that might be higher than the asking price, possibly north of the $5 million that was asked for. The home has the luxury of a French transitional style that was immune to any rumbles in the market. The location is both excellent and luxurious. What makes this home so unique is its availability in one of the hottest neighborhoods in the country. It features top-of-the-line appliances and has a nice pool. But the real beauty is the location and that the home has been modernized, says listing agent Rogers Haley. Inside the 5-bedroom home, you'll find features like a built-in wine cooler and smart home system that's perfect for entertaining. There are multiple living areas and a spacious dining area inside the kitchen. The primary suite in the spacious home features an exercise room, spa bathroom, and enormous walk-in closet. 3 additional bedrooms all have custom window shutters and walk-in closets. There are 2 more bedrooms on the 3rd floor with full bathrooms and abundant closets. A spacious game room on the top of the garage can be used as an office or studio. This space features a bar and refrigerator to keep food nearby. In the backyard, there is a loggia with lutron shades and a fireplace to stay warm after swimming. There is an independent kitchen to grill and eat, as well as a big green egg smoker installed. Healy, who was the former CEO of real estate developer the Howard Hughes Corporation, expects the next home buyer to be a family with young children. This neighborhood is walking distance to lots of parks and great restaurants, he says. The location is really a 10 out of 10. It's located in what is known as the Park Cities neighborhood, and the people call it the Bubble. It's just an ideal home for a family. Lowe and Catherine Giudici Lowe found love, got married, and had kids after season 17 of The Bachelor. After appearing on the television show, this family now has 3 children, Samuel, Isaiah, and Mia Meha. But now, the couple just brought home another family member that has stolen all of their hearts already. Sean posted a picture of his family playing with their new puppy, welcoming him with open arms. He wrote, "Well, Mia has had a nice 2-year run, but that run is now over. Please say hello to my new favorite child, Gus." Catherine posted a picture of her and her new dog, writing this caption in the photo: "Another sweet boy to love. Gus Lowe, everyone." Sean's post includes a photo of his dog Gus. In the comments, he revealed that Gus is a bull mastiff, and by estimating his size as a puppy, will grow to be anywhere from 110 to 130 pounds when he is full grown. Fans of both Catherine and Sean commented on the cuteness of this post, agreeing that it's adorable. One person hilariously wrote, "He looks just like his old man." And another added, "Hi Gus, you are one lucky little dude." Catherine shared sweet photos of their kids with Gus on her stories and shared that their son Samuel has been asking about getting a dog since we lost our sweet Ellie girl. He is so happy. "We can't get enough of all of this cuteness and can't wait to see more photos of Gus as he continues to grow." With that, let us get to know the couple more. Lowe and Catherine Giudici's relationship has been always a true love story. Unlike most couples on The Bachelor, they were never discouraged to not make it to the altar. This reality star is known for his appearance on The Bachelorette and The Bachelor. Lowe first arrived as Maynard's leading man on season 17 of The Bachelor. Aside from winning audiences over with his charm, he was celebrated for having a qualifiable attribute that many reality stars often lack: his virginity. The graphic designer, for her part, didn't know what to expect when she joined the dating show. However, she fell in love quickly. The pair, who got married in 2014, now have 3 children, which was their plan. "We were always planning on having 3 kids. This one came maybe a little sooner than we had planned, but we are excited," the Arlington native told Us Weekly in July 2019. The idea of raising 3 kids under 3.5 years old, that's a little daunting if I'm honest. Giudici's first thought was probably not excitement. Her first thought was probably, wait, we're having a baby? I already have a baby. I'm not ready for another baby. But after a few hours, I think she got excited. The 17th season of The Bachelor was just announced to be part of the 2020 spin-off The Bachelor, The Greatest Seasons Ever. It will be one of the 10 seasons recognized for its impact on the franchise. When I was originally cast, I was very flattered but somewhat grounded by the fact that I would be one of the faces that represented people of color. I knew that one of the reasons I was probably chosen was because I was Filipino, Giudici wrote via Instagram in June 2020 amid the Black Lives Matter movement. I counted myself out to be his fiancé because of what I assume Sean liked. I thought I was there to just check a box, but I ended up with so much more. I became present with the process as he really started noticing me for who I was really. I allowed this experience to open myself up to the possibility of being fully loved and appreciated for all that I was. I ended up getting to represent a mixed-race community, I found Christ, and marrying the most amazing man I've ever known. I'd say doing this show was one of the best things that ever happened to me. The show followed Giudici's and Lowe's journey across 17 episodes. The pair met when Giudici stepped out of the limo to meet Lowe, who was her match for season 17. During the finale, which aired in March 2013, Lowe's final two, Giudici and Lindsay Yenter, met his family. He ultimately broke up with Yenter and was delivered a heartfelt letter from Catherine about her feelings towards him. Upon seeing Giudici, he proposed, she said yes, and the pair exchanged I love yous. In January 2014, Sean and Catherine got married in a televised wedding live at the Four Seasons Resort Biltmore in Santa Barbara, California. The wedding was officiated by Sean's father, J. Lowe. In July 2015, Sarah participated in the Season 4 of Celebrity Wife Swap by swapping lives with Jason Mesnick. Later that year in November, the couple joined a reality TV show called Marriage Boot Camp Reality Stars by appearing on Season 6. That season aired until February 2016. Samuel Thomas Lowe is the second child for the couple, who are parents of a daughter. 16 months after welcoming their first son, the reality stars announced they were expecting again. On May 18th, they welcomed a second son, Isaiah Hendricks Lowe. Lowe and Giudici were blessed with their first daughter, Mia Meha Lowe, on June 19. I've always wanted a daddy's girl and now I've got her, Lowe wrote on Instagram at the time. Mia is healthy, Mama is doing great, and God is so good. In 2020, Giudici wrote via Instagram on November 16, "Happy birthday to the man that makes every single moment better. You are everything to me and I can't imagine going through life with a better partner. Thank you for making me laugh about everything and nothing, for picking up our children when they fall down, for saying I love you every chance you get. You have always been my dream man, you giant hunk of hotness. Happy birthday, my love." I married my best friend 7 years ago, Lowe wrote alongside a wedding throwback in January 2021 via Instagram. So thankful she hasn't realized I'm not good enough for her, because the moment she does, I'm pretty sure she's about to leave me for Shia LaBeouf. Until then, I'm going to keep enjoying the greatest thing to ever happen to me. Giudici also posted a wedding pic writing, 7 years of being this joyful holding your hand. Through vows and homes and kids and kisses, I still can't get enough of you. Happy anniversary. I love you, I love you, I love you. Then, in February 2022, Lowe captioned an Instagram video of his moments on The Bachelor with Giudici. Happy Valentine's Day to the best wife and partner I could ever have hoped for. It's true what they say, the best things in life are found on TV. There you have our TTP video for today. Now, what do you think about the mansion and the Bachelor couple? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell, and like this video. If you think that we have delivered value, please share this video with one person. Just one share is enough for us, for you to show your appreciation for the commitment and hard work we all put together in creating this video that teaches and helps you on your mission of building your own fortune. And you don't know that one share could go a long way. And keep in mind that no matter how many times you're going to watch this video, you won't see any results unless you take action. Goodbye and see you at the next one.